Alright, let's do this. Today I went to Wendy's, and it's morning time. That's not why I have 2 bags. I don't have 2 bags because it's morning time. I got 2 bags because their French toast sticks just came out today. And it's crazy because I've been like really dying to try French toast sticks. Well, not really try, just to have just French toast sticks. So this is what their French toast sticks are looking like. There, boom. Sun's like trying to like stop their shine, but I'm not letting it happen. They're not as fluffy as I thought they were going to be. They're a little on the harder side. They also got some friends too, because I didn't just want to eat French toast sticks alone. So I got this sausage, egg, and cheese. But on a croissant bun, it comes with Swiss cheese, but I didn't want Swiss cheese on that. I just wanted American cheese. I like Swiss cheese. I feel like I just don't want it in the morning time. I don't know. So that's that here. We got potato. Oh, the rest spilled out in the bag. I was gonna say, like, what? Don't tell me they're pulling the Sonics. They're not pulling the Sonics, so I have more in the bag. All right, I changed the setup. I hope these are good. They should be good. The person on the headset, they asked me because you get a choice between 4 and 6 of the French toast. And I was just like, well, are they really good? It depends. And the girl who's taking my order, she's like, oh, they're really good. And then a guy, he also came on the headset, and then he was like, no, they're really, really good. He said, they're going to knock your socks off. So let's see. He said they were going to knock my socks off. We'll see. Did I do it again? No, he said they were going to knock my socks off. They're not knocking my socks off. They're okay. They're fluffy on the inside. I just don't really like a hard French toast. Like, you see, like, I like it to be more fluffy. That's just me. I guess it's preference when it comes to the French toast sticks. But I mean, yeah, they're fluffy on the inside though. Like, there's like a custard vibe to it. You know, like French toast, they dip it into technically a custard. So okay. I've had better French toast sticks, I will say that. I never had their sausage, egg and cheese croissant though. Just for the simple fact that I usually get their honey butter chicken biscuit. Is that what it is? Honey butter chicken. Yeah, that's what it is. Yep. Thinking about it. Yes. That's the one I get. The honey butter chicken biscuit's really good. This is surprisingly really good too. Their home style potatoes, they're pretty good. I'm still more of a hash brown patty girl. But this is something different. I feel like they really did a good job with the sausage, egg and cheese croissant. Like, it actually tastes homemade. It's for the French toast sticks. I don't hate them, but my socks were not knocked off. I mean, if it makes anyone feel better, I'm not wearing socks. I'm wearing flip-flops, so. I have had Burger King's French toast sticks before. And I think theirs are better. I should have did a comparison. Oh my gosh, I was so thirsty. Oh, I forgot the top. I wanted to get a coffee, but I was like, I got coffee at the house. And I really do. There's no cinnamon to them. They're just there. I'm glad I was able to get up so I didn't miss the breakfast. I think that's like one of the most like heartbreaking things is when you're off work and you meant to set like an alarm to get breakfast. As you know, like a lot of these fast food places, they they start breakfast at 10:30. And I'm usually waking up around like 10:20. But that's not always enough time to like get dressed and then drive there. But no, like my body kind of woke me up anyways because I still have a cold. So yeah, my stuffy nose woke me up. So if I sound weird, that's why. So technically, this was not my first breakfast. My first breakfast was Dayquil. The breakfast of champions right there. But I needed it. Like, oh my gosh, y'all would have been scared. Y'all would have been so scared of me. You know, like now you can't cough because of COVID. If you cough, people look at you crazy now. They're like insulted, like, ah, how dare you cough next to me? Even if you're not next to them. It's funny because, like, at work, if somebody, like, coughs while they're in the middle of ordering, one of the baristas, like, that, I point it like you guys do, like, the ordering, like, not the box ordering, like, drive-through, and someone coughs, even if it's a drive-through, and we're all the way in the building, and, like, one of the baristas hears someone cough while they're ordering, they'll go, ew. So now I'm kind of, like, scared, like, so one time I was ordering at McDonald's. That was probably, boom, right there. That's probably when I got sick, because this was a couple days ago. And I didn't even realize it. I just thought I was coughing, just to cough. Speaking of, hold on. I was that person. I ordered at the box. And then I coughed. But because I was like, great, now someone's in there probably saying, ew. I apologize. I was like, I'm so sorry that I coughed. Even though there was like no one around. Then I had to reassure him that I don't have COVID. Because I don't, you know. I think like people forget that the common cold, it still exists. No, but the sausage, mac and cheese, it's still really nice. That is still really nice. Is it better than the honey butter chicken biscuit I get? No. No. I honestly think that Wendy's has a better chicken biscuit than Chick-fil-A. I know.
You need to leave.
I know. I'm sorry. It's just facts. I don't think I would get the French toast sticks again. That's just me. Because they were not nasty. It was just average at best. Yes. I did not know how thirsty I was. Usually I do not like drink this fast. I guess I was more so thirsty than hungry. But I'm glad I got an appetite back. That's the worst, like, when you're sick and you just cannot find a way to get an appetite. Because, like, I had some, like, really good foods. And I just, like, physically could not even eat them. And then, like, 2 days ago, though, I got my appetite back at 12 in the morning. I was like, what the heck? I was like, hold on. Oh, my gosh, I'm starving. I was like, well, I got to get it how I can get it. So, 12 in the morning, if that's what I can eat, that's what I'm going to eat. But I'm pretty much over being sick now, but it was brutal. My body was aching, like, but I didn't have a fever though, thank God. Man, ugh, those body aches, those are the worst. I felt like a zombie. I see why they gave me so many napkins now. Nope, that makes sense. I'm gonna save this for later. I'm just full out. Yeah. Alright, that's all I got for you guys today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.